Hello and welcome to Paul's Engage channel, and I have retrieved the layout from the shed and it's fixed to the last board. Now I've bolted this together finally, first time in however many years it's actually been connected together, and I've got now 8 buildings wired up for 9 buildings, 9 buildings lined up, lighted, ready for lighting and all ready to go. I haven't done the church yet because I've come into, obviously the problem I didn't realise or I forgot about was the fact that this lake, what's going to be the lake, is the board is upside down. So I can't go through that board, not without having great big cables. So the plan is, obviously, when we get the other boards, is to go reverse, and I can go round the back under the new boards and back to the beginning here. So these boards here are going to be wired, and then all links and that will go through around the back and joined up together. So yeah, that will do, and in the meantime though I will have a very long cable running from there to here, but it's going to be a bit obvious that there's light from the other board. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn off the main lights, and then I shall connect the lights together, the power and the power lead for the lights, and we'll see the lights on the houses. So moment, and I shall, first of all, let me connect the lights. There we go. Now we have the houses. Now you may see that this one at the front here hasn't got any lights showing, and that's because it's pointing towards the back. And here everything is as per normal. So here we go. Let's turn off the lights. And then there we go. We have lights and camera and action. Yeah, so we've got the bungalows down here. They are wired up, and there's the restaurant. The shop is the one with the lights off, because normal it would be unlit. And then you've got the houses all lit. Now what I'm going to try and do is get a little sign, shop sign lit up, so we can put it on the side there, so you know people know there's a shop there. And get some street lights on, and that will illuminate it a bit better. So there you go, we have lights, street lights next, and see how they go. Right, talk to you soon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please like if you think this is going well. Please comment any thoughts, what I can do to improve the layout, and yeah, we'll see you soon. Thank you.